Good evening, ma'am. I'm Onila Benbalino from 3 I A1-8. Our second topic for today is DNA analysis. And here is the lesson objectives. Explain the importance of DNA analysis. Enumerate the steps in DNA analysis. And here is the 4 of table of contents. Describe DNA, its location, composition, and nature. Describe forensic DNA analysis and how it is used to solve crimes. And describe the 4 types of DNA analysis. And the last one is describe the 3 types of DNA evidence analysis. Number 1. Makikita po natin dito yung inyong DNA na is location, composition, and nature. As you can see na ito po yung location na 4 po yan. Bali 5 po yan na yung location po niya ng composition ng isang DNA analysis. Next is DNA analysis how is used to solve crime. Ito naman po yung kinokotong swab na yung pinaka DNA ng isang suspect or pinaka victim. As you can see na kinokollect po niya yung kinokollect po niya DNA analysis and makikita po na naka-backlight o naka-blacklight yung paano makita ang isang DNA na magsosolve sa isang crime. Next is, ito naman po yung the 4 step in DNA analysis. Number 1 is isolation of DNA from evidence sample. Ayan po, makikita po natin yung pinaka-sample po ng isang crime laboratory na inaano po yung DNA samples po niya. And the second is processing of DNA so that the test result may be obtained. Nilagay po sa pinaka-bote ang isang DNA para po ma-obtain po ang kanyang at hindi mawala o ano man po yun. And determination of variation in the DNA test result. Ito naman po yung variation niya, yung correct copy, original, and parang ganun po siya sa meron pong mutant copy na makikita po natin sa picture. And the comparison and interpretation of the test result from the unknown and known sample of DNA. Yan naman po yung makikita po natin yung comparison ng interpretation ng unknown and known of sample of DNA. Nakikita po natin sa isang picture. And the last one is polymerase chain reaction. Ayan po, makikita po natin sa picture. Yung polymerase chain reaction po niya na kung saan po ay meron siyang yung para sa DNA. And the short tandem repeats naman po siya po yung nagre-repeats ng clonal amplification and clonal and ligation. And yung Y chromosome naman po, ayan po makikita po natin sa DNA na yan po yung Y chromosome. And yung mitochondria and mitochondria DNA cell. Ayan po makikita po natin sa picture paano yung ayan po yung cell niya and mitochondrial DNA. Ayan yung parang bilog. Tapos po yung mitochondria. Ayan po yung parang dalawa po na kita po natin. At yun lamang po at maraming salamat.